Yes, very good, my dear children. Welcome back again to your new academic year, that is Standard 5. And today, your Pramila teacher is going to take your class for EVS 2. EVS 2, what is the meaning for EVS? Who will tell me? Who will tell me what is the meaning for EVS?
Environmental studies.
Yes, very good.
Environmental studies.
Environmental studies. Environmental studies means environment, means the whatever is there around us. We are going to learn. We are going to study about our environment. It is the study of our surrounding. It also contains our past, our present, and our science also. And in this EVS2, what are we going to learn? Yes, what do you learn in the last year EVS2 class?
About Chhatrapati Shivaji
About
Maharaj.
Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj.
Yes. Can you view my screen?
Yes.
Yes. That means you can see my screen and I can teach you through you this PPT. So let's move ahead for our next PPT, that is here in this class I'm going to tell you about Maharashtra before Shivaji, and along with that I will revise you for Maratha Sardar and work of saints, the great saints that help society for upbringing of the social awareness. Here I would like to thank Mumbai Mahanagarpalika, Shikshan Vibhag, G South, G North, which gives me this opportunity to present myself in front of you. Our administrative officer, Mrs. Snehalata Dumbre, nodal officer, nodal beat officer, Sharad Kurhade sir, nodal HM, Mrs. Mary Pushpam Paul, assistant nodal HM, Mrs. Manpreeti Kaur Anand, CNO, Mr. Ratilal Burungule, assistant CNO, Mr. Anantrao Suryavanshi. Before we start for our class, here is a date, a thought of a day. Please read this.
Creativity.
Vidya.
Is
Yes.
seeing the same
Yes.
thing but thinking difficultly.
Differently. Creativity is seeing the same thing but thinking differently. That means how do you see with a situation, tackle the situation in various ways. If you want to cross a river, you can take a boat, you can swim, or any other thing you can take to cross a river. But each one's goal is that to cross a river. How it is depend on each person separately. Okay.
Yes.
Now we are tackling with the corona, isn't?
Yes.
It is very dangerous, isn't?
Yes.
And it taught us very, very different things to stay safe, to stay away from, keep distance, hand, sanitize your hands, use mask, which we didn't done before. But this corona taught us very, very different things to keep ourselves safe and sound. And that's why we are taking this online lesson Because right now, stay home and stay
Safe.
safe. Very good. Okay, Hridaya, tell me
Yes.
which map is this?
Maharashtra district map.
Yes, Maharashtra's district map. As you know, before only somebody tell me that in the class 4th standard, you learned about Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Isn't? And in that lesson, which major part or which district he covered a lot? Do you know about it? In which district Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj born?
Maharashtra.
Maharashtra.
It is a state of Maharashtra, but in the district of Pune. On which fort is it? Do you know?
Raigad. Raigad.
Raigad was the capital of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, but he born on Shivneri
Shiv-
fort. Which fort?
Shivneri.
Shivneri.
Yes, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj born on Shivneri fort. Yes. Now let me know whose picture is this?
Emperor of Delhi Akbar.
Yes. In our first lesson only, we came to know about this emperor. He ruled on Delhi. Delhi was the central place in India, and he was the emperor or the founder, you can say, or one of the great king of Mughal emperors. He worked a lot for his people in his state. Now, this is about our Vijayanagar in Maharashtra, that is the southern emperor in India. You can see here in this map, it is covered Goa, Vijayanagar, Hampi, Tirupati, and lots of southern part of India. He was one of the great king in south. Do you have seen the Tenali? Do anyone Tenali Rama serial?
Yes, I watched.
Yes. And in that serial, you must have learned about Krishna Dev Raj.
Yes.
Krishna Dev Rai was one of the great Maratha kingdom, one of the great Hindu kingdom in past. He worked a lot for his state and his people. He was a great king and was a very wealthy and very auspicious kingdom in the past. But after this Vijayanagar's decline, the situation of Maharashtra become very, very bad. Now, what you can see on this slide is Hridaya and who else are there? Please raise your hands.
We can see Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj sitting on his crown in the first picture.
Yes, it is a picture of Raigad, or you can say the crown seat, and we are celebrating his Jayanti, his birth anniversary with lot of happiness and joy. We are remembering him with his birth. Yes. Shraddha, please read this. Are you there, Shraddha?
Ma'am, can I read?
Yes, yes. By all
But-
means.
Swaraj means self-government, our own rule.
Yes. Swaraj. Swaraj means self-government. That means the rule of people who are residing in that particular place, who are residing in that particular territory, who are residing in that particular city, state, country. This Swaraj have another meaning right now. We are calling it as a democracy. Democracy means the rule of people, for the people and by the people. That means it is a government of people, for the people and by the people. People voting for their representative. People, they are electing their representatives for the Vidhan Sabha and the Lok Sabha. Whose microphone is putting on? Here I have one picture for you. It is a picture of Shivaji Maharaj Mudra. Mudra means his own oath for the state of his kingdom. Now, Hridaya, please
Yes.
read this for us.
Rules of sultans.
Sultans.
Maharashtra.
Sultans. It is sultans. Huh?
Yes. Maharashtra was divided among the Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar and Adil Shah of Bijapur. The people suffered and were harassed, and they were not allowed to celebrate their festivals or worship their gods openly and freely.
Very good, dear. Now, before Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, the Maharashtra was divided among Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar, that is near Pune district and Aurangabad district, and Adil Shah of Bijapur. Right now it is in Karnataka state. These two sultans were fighting among themselves for the territory. Whose territory is more, that will a great ruler. And in this situation, this Nizam Shah and Adil Shah always in search of great warriors who can work for them. But they were not looking after the people in their state. And that's why the people of then Maharashtra suffered and were harassed, and they were not allowed to celebrate their festivals or worship their gods openly and freely. They were forced to work for Nizam Shah and Adil Shah. Whatever they can produce, they have to submit to the king as a tax. And the people who were working for the Nizam Shah and Adil Shah were harassed the common people for the collection of the tax. Yes, Hridaya, please read this for us.
Wanted like Deshmukh and Deshpande, who wanted Jagris, the the
Constant,
constant fighting among them brought great misery to the people.
Yes,
Ma'am,
very good.
can I read?
Samita. Yes,
Thank you.
afterwards I will tell you. Just now it is over this slide, so let me explain. Okay, Himanshu? Okay. Now, Watandars of Maharashtra. Just before I told you about Nizam Shah and Adil Shah. What do these two sultans done? They hired the great warriors like Deshmukh, Deshpande, and gives watans. Watan means the Jagirs. And these Jagirs were owned by Deshpandes and Deshmukhs. But what do these Deshpande and Deshmukhs do? Their constant fight among themselves for the ownership of the Jagirs. And this constant fighting brought great misery, great low, very misery to the people. Now, let's learn about sense of Maharashtra. In next month, which great festival you can say they are going to celebrate in month of Ashad? Do you know anyone?
Sri Chakradhar Swami's Jayanti.
No, it is Ashadwari, that is Varkari goes to Pandharpur to visit to great their god Vitthal. And this Vitthal, or you can say the people who are worshipping Vitthal are going to visit their great god Vitthal at the Pandharpur. The beginning, this begins with the Sri Chakradhar Swami, who put the different views in the society for the upbringing of the social awareness among the people. Okay, now Himanshu, please read this for us. Himanshu.
Ma'am, can I read?
Yes, dear, please.
Sri Chakradhar Swami was originally a prince of Gujarat. He did not believe in any discrimination based on gender or caste. The saint of established is known as a Mahanubhav.
Yes, very good, dear. Sri Chakradhar Swami. He was one of the great saints who begin the different view in the society for the welfare of the society. Before, our Indian society was very discriminating. It gives discrimination on the basis of caste, creed, gender, and also on the basis of economy also. That means money. Those who are rich, they were force the people to work for them. Those who are of higher caste force other caste people to work for them. This Chakradhar Swami was originally a prince of Gujarat. He was born in a Gujarat kingdom family. His view was that no discrimination based on gender or caste. And the sect he established is known as Mahanubhav. Right now also on the upper north part of Maharashtra, many people are following this Mahanubhav Panth. Now let's read this for us.
Sir, I Jignasa. Can I
Yes,
read?
Jigyasa, you can read.
Santa Namdev was a great devotee of Vittal. He lived in the village Narsari. He moved all over Maharashtra to spread Bhagavad Dharma and
Taught.
taught the people deep devotion to God. Some of these words are include the Guru Granth Sahib, the holy book of the Sikh.
6. Very good, Jigyasa. Sant Namdev. He was one of the great saints in Maharashtra. He was a great devotee of Vitthal. Just now I told you about the god Vitthal at Pandharpur. He was one of the great devotee of this Vitthal. He lived in the village Narsi. Narsi is one of the place in Maharashtra, and he born at that place. He moved all over Maharashtra. He walked all over Maharashtra. He traveled throughout the Maharashtra to spread Bhagavad Dharma. Bhagavad means those who are believing in Bhagwan, and taught the people for deep devotion towards the God, that is Bhagwan. Some of his verses means gathas, some of his shloks were included in Guru Granth Sahib, that is the great holy book of Sikh religion. He also traveled throughout India for the spread of equality in God and his work. Now, please, Himanshu, can you read this? Okay, Jigyasa, read this again for us.
Yes, Sant Jnaneshwar family belonged to Appegaon. His father was a sannyasi. He wrote a outstanding book Jnaneshwari in Marathi at a very early age at Anandi near Pune. Jnaneshwar took samadhi.
Yes, very good, dear. Sant Jnaneshwar, one of the great sant in Maharashtra. Till today, we are following his working. His family belongs to Appegaon near Pune, Aurangabad district. His father took sannyas and went to Kashi to gain knowledge. Again, after gaining knowledge, he came back and started his family once again. But during that period, the people who took the sannyas couldn't follow the family life once again, and that's why his brother, sister, and the Jnaneshwar himself were known as the child of sannyasi. And due to this, he suffered a lot till the end of his life. He worked for the devotion of God. He thinks that all people, all animals are equal in the eyes of God. So nobody is bigger or lower in front of God. It is said that he wrote his book in very early age of 15 years. He wrote Bhagavad Gita, which is told by Krishna to all the common people in Marathi. That Bhagavad Gita is written in Sanskrit. So common people of Maharashtra couldn't read this. People knows the common language which is commonly speak in their house, in their society is Marathi only. So he wrote his book Jnaneshwari in Marathi. At the age of 18, he took samadhi at Alandi. It is near Pune. And his whole family, that is Nivruttinath, Sopan, Muktai, yes, his whole family was work for the equality of the society. They spread Bhagavad Dharma in the Maharashtra. And till today, we are following that. Okay. Now, please read this for us.
Can I read?
Can I read?
Hridaya.
Shabika.
Hridaya.
Yes.
Okay, Shrutika is there. Na Shrutika, please read.
Shamika teacher.
Okay, Shamika.
Sant Eknath carried on the work started by Sant Namdev and Sant Dhaneshwar. He wrote number, numerous,
Numerous
religious songs and
abhangs,
amongst hymns,
ovids,
ovis and
yes, bharuds.
bharuds. Eknath impressed the message of love and equality on the minds of the people.
Yes. This Sant Eknath was another great sant from Maharashtra. He carried his work that is started by Sant Namdev and Sant Dhaneshwar. He wrote numerous religious songs such as Abhang, Ovid, and Bharuds. His Bharuds is still famous in Maharashtra. Jogwa Wadgabai, Darugad Baya Darugad. All these are the great Bharuds wrote by Sant Eknath. The common people's language influenced people to think on his work, think for his devotion. Eknath impressed the message of love and equality on the mind of people. He is the great devotee and follower of Sant Dhaneshwar and Eknath, and he mixed up in the common people, and he write his abhangs, ovis, bharuds in the common people's language, so that people could understand the importance of God, equality, and brotherhoodness among themselves.
So can I
Okay.
read, Rudaya?
Yes, Hridaya.
Santa Tukaram. Tukaram came from Dehu near Pune. He wrote devotional songs, abhangs, and performed kirtans. Shivaji Maharaj also attended his kirtans. Santa Tukaram preached people about the virtues of pity, forgiveness, and peace of mind.
Very good, dear. He is the one of great Sant named as Tukaram. He took birth at Dehu. Dehu, which is in the district of Pune. He wrote various devotional songs, abhang, and he also performs kirtans. He traveled in the district of Pune and nearby districts such as Nagar, Satara, in the spread of great work of sons Naneshwar, Namdev. It is said that his kirtan was attended by great Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. He preached people, he teach people the virtues of pity, forgiveness, and the peace of mind. That is, nowadays we are required a lot because we are staying at home, we are not going out, and we are fighting with our brothers and sisters. Is that? Are you?
No,
No, I have
That,
I
yes,
don't
very
have
good.
brother
That
and
means,
sister.
yeah.
I also don't have brother and sister.
That means you are fighting with your mother and father.
No.
It is a brotherly fighting. It is a lovely fighting. It is not a fighting of a like war. Is that
yes.
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 okay? Now I want Jigyasa to read this.
Yes, Sant Ramdas. Ramdas was born at Jamp on the bank of Godavari in Marathwada. Narayan was his real name, but he purified to call himself Ramdas, but servant of Rama. He wrote great book like Deshboth and Manache Shlok.
Yes, very good, dear. Samartha Ramdas. He born at Jam, a place on the bank of Godavari, a great river, Godavari in Maharashtra, in Marathwada. His real name was Narayan. His first name was Narayan, but he liked to call himself as Ramdas. And what is the meaning of Ramdas? It is meant that he is the servant of great Lord Ram. He wrote a great books like Dasbodh and Manache Shlok. This Manache Shlok help us to guide our mind in various situations. Now let's move towards the Maratha Sardars. That is the famous house of the Bhosles. In Maharashtra, there were great Maratha Sardars who worked for Nizam Shah and Adil Shah. These were Jadhav of Sindhkhed, Nimbalkar of Fulton, Ghorpade of Mudhol, More of Jauli, and Bhosle of Vero. It is also known as Jadhav family, Nimbalkar family, Ghorpade family, More family, and Bhosle family. Among these, you must know about Jadhav of Sindhkhed and Bhosles of Veru, which we are going to learn in our 4th standard. We learned about Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. His mother belongs to Jadhav family from Sindhkhed and his father belongs to Bhosla family of Veru. Now here I have picture of Shahaji and Jijabai who were parent of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. As Shahaji worked with Nizams and Adil Shah, he used to put on clothing just like Muslim Sardars. Here I have a family tree of Bhosla family. That is, Bhosle was Patil of Veru. And he have Babaji Bhosle have two sons. One of them is Maloji and another one is Vithoji. Maloji got married with Umabai, but Vithoji was died in a battle. He do not have his family to move ahead. Maloji have two sons. One of them is Shahaji and another one is Sharifji. Sharifji died in a battle at Bhatwadi near Ahmednagar. But Shahaji survived himself and got married with Jijabai. Shahaji had two sons. One is Sambhaji, who took over his Watan at Bijapur, and the another one was Shivaji, that you know it very well. That is Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj first wife was Sahibai, and with them their child was Sambhaji, which we know as Great Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj. This is a picture of Raigad, that is the capital of Maratha Swaraj. Now let's have some exercise. I have some fill in the blanks for you. Okay, I would like to tell you one by one to read this for our class. Now first, Hridaya, read this first, fill in the blanks.
The timeline in which Shivaji Maharaj lived was that of the dash period.
It is ancient period or medieval period or modern period. Who will
Medi-
answer it? It is medieval period. The answer for this is medieval period.
period.
Ma'am, can I read Jignasa?
Just now Jigyasa only told not to read this. Okay,
Okay.
Jigyasa, read this for us.
Sant Namdev was a great devotee of dash.
To whom do he work or
Can
to
I
whom
tell?
do he
Can I
worship?
answer, ma'am? Can I answer,
Yes,
ma'am?
yes.
Hridaya.
Tell, ma'am.
Ram.
No, he,
Vitthal.
Ram.
yes,
Vitthal.
he was a great devotee of Vitthal. Okay, Hridaya, please read this for us.
Third one, no?
Third one.
To popularize the worship of strength, Samartha Ramdas raised the temples of Dash.
Hmm. Whose temples does he raise? Hanuman?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes,
Hanuman.
yes. As a Hanuman is a god of strength, Samartha Ramdas raised temples of Hanuman. Very good, dear. Now last one, fourth one.
Can
who
I
will
read?
Yes,
Ma'am,
dear.
can I read Jignasa?
Shamika.
Yes, Shamika, read this now. Before I told Jigyasa and Hridaya, please Shamika, now you read this for us.
Yes. Babaji Raje Bhosle had two sons, Maloji and
Dash.
Vithaji.
Vithaji.
Yes, it is
Vithaji.
Vithaji. Yeah, Vithoji. You can now write all this in your notebook and share it on a group to check it. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Now next I have some work for you. Now match the pairs, that is column A and column B.
Syndicate, the Jadavs of syndicates.
Very good, dear. Very nice. Next one, Fulton.
Ghorpade of Fulton.
Ghorpada of Fulton.
No, sorry. Nimbadkar of Fulton.
Yes, Nimbalkars of Fulton. Javli.
Javris of Mure.
Very good. And Mudhol.
Of Ghorpade.
Yes, very good, dears. Now do this, match the pairs again in your book to revise your standard 4. Okay, now write the relation between. Okay, Jigyasa, read this for us.
Maloji Raje and Vitoji Raje.
What relation is there in among them?
Father, son.
Maloji Raje and Vithoji Raje.
Brother.
Check it out the family tree.
Brothers.
Yes, they were brothers. Okay, read. Jigyasa, you only read.
Shahaji Raje and Lakhoji Raje.
Lakhoji Rao Jadhav. Shahaji Raje married Lakhoji Rao's daughter. So what will be the relation among them?
Father is law, son-in-law.
Son-in-law.
Yes, father-in-law and son-in-law. Very good. Now next one,
Can
Jigyasa.
I?
Shahaji Raje and Sharifji Raje
Yes,
are brothers.
yes. Now last one.
Can I read?
Can I read, Hridaya?
Shamika.
Yes, Hridaya.
Babaji Raje and Vithoji Raje.
Yes. Babaji Raje was
Father and son.
Yes. Father
very
and
good.
son.
Babaji Raje was father and Vithoji Raje was son. Very good, my dears. Very good. Now this is a homework for you. Please take a screenshot of this page so that
I
you
take a
can do
screenshot,
it
teacher.
for your homework.
I
Yes,
take a
very
screenshot,
good.
Screenshot.
ma'am.
Very good, my dears.
Photo
Now
of the
a great joy till the
Thank you. Thank
thank
you.
you,
thank you,
ma'am.
dears.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, dear.